rainstorm I've ever seen. Like, look at this, guys. Look at this. And look at that floating stick over there. Just floating around. So guys, we were actually like supposed to catch fish in this is yeah, I guess. So you see that like well, that's where we're gonna catch like fish. But it's really, really rainy. Like it started raining like then when we got inside, it was like so windy, like all the palm trees were. I'll show you a resemblance. It's a thing എങ്ങനെ നിങ്ങൾ മാലി അപ്പം തുടങ്ങിയില്ല അതെങ്ങനെയായിരുന്നു നിങ്ങൾ കാണിച്ച yeah it was like this like yeah like that exactly like that. So like we just ran inside. My brother was still trying to catch the fish. Look how wet it is. Yeah. I want to slip on that. Oh, I'm getting sick. It's going to be like flooded. Yeah, I think it's going to be like flooded. Do you think these are signs of like a tornado? I'm scared. Like I'm literally scared. It's not going to be a tsunami. Probably a flood. Tsunami. Oh my God, guys. Oh yeah, I remember I made a short. Yeah, it's just like that short. Like I was like, hi guys, and like I was like showing you that he like took that bottle and he put it there. Remember? Yeah. It's a swimming pool. I'll show you like the back. It's going to be so flooded. So guys, it's just my prayer room. But look how flooded it is. Poor chickens. Okay, I'll show you again. So guys, look at this. Look how flooded it is.
Like it's a pool.
Yeah, look at these poor chickens. I don't know if you can see, but there are chickens over there. So like, it's flooding right now.
I hope like the butterflies survive.
Oh yeah. So you guys, like the butterflies were like, I don't know what is happening. Yeah, so the butterflies were like this, like going this way, but like the wind pushed them back like this. Like I hope they survive. Look at this. Look at all of this. Okay, that was just piled up by us. Like, yeah. But like, look at all this, guys. I'll show you the outside one more time. The cats are like running, like just trying to escape the weather. Look at this. Look at this, guys. What? Oh my. So yeah. She'll be back. Look at all the catties. Look at them. They're so cold. Look at this one. This one is probably like the cutest one. So yeah, I also have another thing to say. So I have two Persian cats. One is black, one is white. So one day in the night when I was like studying, doing my homework, the usual things. Wait, oh my God, this is just bad. Wait. Okay, anyways, yeah. So one night I was like studying and all, and I heard like this something. It almost sounded like a child was crying, but it sounded more like a cat. And I thought it was like my yellow cat attacking my other cat. I don't know why they always fight. But yeah, but then the next day when we went there, there was like water, like and the white Persian's cat fur. I'm gonna say that one. There's like water on the ground, and my white Persian's cat fur was on the floor there. My brother saw that. I went there to check. There was also blood. Yeah. So that's my third cat that's disappeared, like just randomly. First one was cookies, then Oreo, and the last one, my white Persian cat. So that's the end of the video, and I'll try to be posting again. Bye.